Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 12 areas related to circles chapter. Exercise 12.2. Here first question, last class we learned formula also we learned, then 12.1 exercise also we completed there. Now we go into 12.2 questions. First question they ask that find the area of a sector. Radius is given as 6 centimeter. Radius of the circle is given as 6 centimeter. And they make an angle 60 degree at the center of the circle. They subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center of the circle. Find the area of the sector. They ask it like this. So radius is 6 centimeter. They given theta value angle subtended at center means angle means it represent as a theta value. Theta value is how much there is 60 degree they given there. So first how to find out area of sector. What is the formula for finding area of a sector? Here, first area of a sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square is the formula. Sector only here mentioned. Remember, sector only means we apply which formula? Minor sector case. Minor sector area they ask you to. Sector how to find? Draw a circle. Then O is the center of the circle. Sector means two radius, which are the radius OA and OB are the two radius, and AB is the arc. Then this area OAB area they ask to find out. This part we call it as a minor sector. Minor sector area. They make an angle of how much degree? 60 degree. In this way they given in the question. So diagram is like this. Minor sector area they ask you to find. How to find out area? Formula last class we learned. So for what are the information they given there? Radius is given. Radius is equal to how much centimeter? 6 centimeter. Angle subtended also they given. Angle subtended also they are given how much a theta value? 60 degree. Then they ask you to find out the area of sector. Sector means minus sector. Formula is theta by 360 degree into pi r square is the formula for finding area of a sector. Theta place theta value is 60 degree divided with 360 degree into pi place, and pi value not to mention means there we apply 22 by 7 into radius is 6. So 6 into 6. R square is that's why 6 into 6 we apply in there. Then values 0, 0 cancel. 6 table 6, 1 time 6 table 36. 6 6 and 1 6 we can cancel. Remaining part to become 22 into 6 divided with 7. Fractional wise right or decimal point wise right. 22 into 6 become how much? 132 by 7. Area represent as a centimeter square. Fractional wise right up, again divide and decimal point wise right. Anyway you can write and stop there. So this is the meaning of the first question. Then I hope you can understand this first question. The next question they tells about find the area of a quadrant case they asking find the area of a quadrant. What is the formula? 1 by 4 pi r square. Last class we learned quadrant. Find the formula is 1 by 4 pi r square is the formula for finding a area of a quadrant. Then they given us a circumference of the circle is given, not radius. They given us a circumference of the circle. Using that circumference formula, first we find out a radius. Radius getting after quadrant formula. What is the area of quadrant formula? 1 by 4 pi r square formula apply and find out area of that quadrant. That is the second question procedure. So second question here they given circumference of the circle. So we started with the circumference of the circle. circumference of the circle they given. What is the formula? 2 pi r is the formula. Value how much? 22 centimeter they given. Value substituting formula. Pi place 22 by 7. R value we don't know. Our aim is to find R value, that is equal to right side which number? 22. Right side and left side 22 is the 22 table 22 one time only. So 2 by 7. R is equal to right side which number? 1 only there. So R value become how to write? 2 by 7. A fraction number goes to opposite side, a reciprocal take, and a right reciprocal become how much? 7 by 2 is the reciprocal. So R value become how much? R value becomes 7 by 2 centimeter is the R. R means the radius of the circle. Radius getting after area of quadrant formula, apply area of a quadrant. So area of quadrant formula is equal to, last class we learned that one by 4 pi r square is the formula. 1 by 4 pi place 22 by 7, radius place 7 by 2, 2 times r is the, that's why 2 times right hand multiply. 1 7 we cancel, 2 and 22 cancel, 11. Again cancellation not possible. 11 in numerator part, 11 into 7 comes to be 77. Denominator 4 2s are 8 centimeters. Fractional wise right, or divide and decimal point wise right. Anyway you can get the anyway you can write the answer. This is our second question. I hope you can understand this question. Then next third question. The third question they tells about minute hand length is given. The length of the minute hand is given. 14 centimeter is the length of the minute hand. So remember that length of the minute hand is equal to our in a clock minute hand length is equal to our radius of the circle shape. Clock is in circle shape. Remember then that minute hand represent as the radius of the circle. Then next what they given, the length of the minute hand is given there. They asking find out the area swept SW EPT swept by 5 minutes case. Area swept by 5 minutes case. Minute hand area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes case. They asking 5 minutes case. That means theta by 360 is the 360 into pi r square is the that means that clock hand represent as a sector format. That's why what we want to do with which formula apply? Area of a sector formula apply, but here area swept by 5 minutes we want to find. First before class that also given, that formula is also given. Angle swept in here 1 minute case, 1 hour case, then a minute hand by 1 hour by minute hand case, like this. That formula given there. That formula here we applied that. First they given us a length of minute hand is given. Length of minute hand that is equal to radius of our circle. Radius of circle that is equal. Minute hand length how much they given? 14 centimeter. Next we want to find a angle swept for 1 minute case we want to find. How to find out? Formula is 360 degree divided by 60 degree. Here 0 cancel, 6 table 30. So what is the answer? 6 degree is the angle swept for 1 minute case. Here 5 minutes case I am asking. So angle swept for 5 minutes case, find out 5 minutes case. Find that means 1 minute is how much? 6 degree. 5 minutes asking time 6 into 5 comes to be how much degree? 30. So remember this degree represent as our theta value. Our angle because how much? Now we got a 30 degree. Then question asking find out area swept for minute swept by minute hand in 5 minutes case. minute hand. In 5 minutes case, find out which formula we apply. A sector formula, theta by 360 into pi r square formula. Here we apply theta place. Theta value is 30 degree divided by 360 degree into pi place 22 by 7 into radius is equal to how much? 40 r square is there. That's why 2 times right and multiply. 7 and 14 cancelling time. How many times? 2 times. Again 0 and 0 cancel. 3 table 3 1 10. 3 table 36 12 time. Again 2 and 12 cancelling. 2 table to 1 time. 2 table 12 6 time. Again cancellation not possible. So what is the answer there? Here answer become again here 14 and 6 cancellation possible. 2 table 3 times, 2 table 14 7 times. Remaining part to become a numerator, which are the numbers remain 22 into 7. 22 into 7 by denominator, which number? 3 is the. So finalize how we can write 154 by 3. Area represent as a centimeter square is the answer. I hope you can understand. First angle set for 1 minute case to find out. Next 5 minutes they ask it. That's why 5 minute case to find out. Afterwards angle set by minute hand in 5 minutes case find out. This is our third question. Next fourth question. Fourth question they tells about here a chord. A chord of a circle of a radius is given. So we can draw a circle. O is the center of the circle. Chord we can mark it as AB, a chord of a circle of radius. Radius means OA and OB are the radius of the circle. Radius is 10 centimeters. That's why we can mark it as OA and OB. Radius is how much? 10 centimeter. And they subtended right angle at the center of the circle. That means they make a center how much degree? 90. Right angle means how much degree? They make a 90 degree. They make a right angle. They subtended right angle at the center of the circle. Subtended which how much angle? Right angle means how much degree? 90. That degree represent as our theta value. What they ask means for 2 cases they ask to find the first case they ask to find out area of a minor segment. They ask to find out. Second part they ask to find out area of a major segment sector. They ask to find out. 2 cases they ask to find out. One first case is area of minor segment. Second case they ask to find out area of the major sector. 2 cases we want to find. Then pi value they given us a 3.14. They ask to using. So that's why here pi value we can consider it as a 3.14. Here first part. In a first our question number is 4th question. Here radius is how much? Radius is given information. First we write radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Then angle how much? Angle theta is equal to how much degree? Theta value they given as 90 degree. First part what they ask you to find out area of a minor segment case they ask to find. Minor segment where here this part segment means a chord and a arc of a circle joining region. We call it as a minor segment. So minor segment represent as a AB chord and AB arc joining region. We call it as a minor segment. That part to area they ask to find out. How to find that answer? How to find means here 2 radius and arc of a circle joining region we call it as a minor sector. So area of the sector is subtract, remove with which shape here AOB represent as a triangle. Area of the that formula we apply last class, that also we learned formula case. Area of minus segment is equal to what is the formula? Area of a sector. Sector is subtracted with the area of a triangle, area of AOB triangle, area of triangle AOB. AOB there. Here sector means in this much part there are two radius and arc joining region, we call it as a sector. Sector means minus sector. That part full area is removed. We want this much part. That part how to get full area is removed from area of the triangle. We get which part of this segment part will get in the value substitute. Area of a sector formula is theta by 360 into pi. R square is the formula minus area of a triangle AOB half into R square sin theta is the formula. Here both terms, two terms are passed. Second, which value is common there? R square value is common. Here also R square, here also R square. R square take common outside. Remaining alphabets are theta by 360 into pi minus half into sin theta is the remaining terms. Remaining part, that one keep inside the bracket. R square means radius is given as 10. So R square means 10 into 10. Bracket inside theta value is how much? 90 degree divided with 360 into pi value. Here not 22, they mentioned that 3.14 minus half into sin theta place which value theta they make a center how much degree? 90 degree. They are given like that. Again 0 and 0 cancel, 9 table 9, 1 10, 9 table 36, 4 times. Again 10 into 10 comes to be how much? 100. Inside bracket here 1 into 3.14 decimal point, how to remove? Divided with 100. So 314 divided with 100 and denominator which number already there? 4 is there. Then again minus half into sin 90 degree because how much? 1 only there. Again cancellation possible. 2 table use to cancel, for 2 2s are 4. 2 table here comes 1 remain 1 and 1 5 times 10 7. 157 by 2 into 100 become 200. So next step we can write it as outside 10 into 10 100 is there into inside become 157 divided by 200 minus half into 1 become a half is cross multiply and subtraction do. So 100 into 157 into 157 into 2 comes to be how much? Multiply 14 11 314 minus 200 divided by 200 into 2 comes to be 400. Here 2 zeros we can cancel. So remaining part to become 314 minus 200. 314 subtracted with the 200. How much coming here? 114 getting here. 114 divided by denominator which number only remaining here? 4 is division doing the how much will coming here? 28.5. Area represent as a centimeter square. So 28.5 centimeter square is the answer. I hope first part you can understand. Area of a minor segment case. Next what they ask you to find? A area of a major segment. The second part we want to find the area of a major segment. How to find out area of a major segment? Same thing only here. Area of a second part, they same question and two parts are there. Area of a major sector they ask to find out. Sector case how to find out? Here also sector case we can take as a diagram in this way. So here circle is there, O is the center of the circle, and theta value we can consider it as a 90 degree, radius are 10 centimeter, then OA and OB are the radius, and AB is the arc. This region, arc and two radius joining region, we call it as a minor sector. Sector, and this part we call it as a major sector. What here asking a find out area of a major part area, they asked this part area they asked. How to find out area of the full circle is removed from which part, area of this minor sector, then we get area of the major sector. Last class we learned that formula also. So area of major sector is equal to area of circle subtracted with the area of a minor sector. Minus area of circle, what is the formula? Pi r square is the formula for finding area of a circle. Minus area of minus sector means what is the formula? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square is the formula. Which value is common there? First term, second term. First and second term pi r square is common. That value take outside. Then here instead of this full we take outside, means instead of that place which value are remaining? 1 minus theta by 360 degree from the second part remaining. The value substitute pi place which value? Not 22 by already they mentioned there 3.14. Radius how much? 10. So r square means 10 into 10. 1 minus theta plus theta value is 90 by 360. So cancel 0 0 cancel. 9 table 9 1 10, 9 table 36 4 10. This 4 is cross multiply. 1 is a whole number, 1 by 4 is a fractional number. So here decimal point how to remove? Divided with 100. So 314 divided with 100 into 100. 10 into 10 become how much? 100. Then cross multiply 4 into 1 4 minus numerator part 1 by denominator 4. 100 and 100 cancel. So remaining become how much? 314 into 4 minus 1 comes to be 3 by denominator become 4. You cancel 2 table for 2 times, 2 table 3 1 time, 11 means 5. So how much we get? 157 into 3. 157 into 3 because how much will come in there? 235.5 is the answer. That is our second part answer. Also divided by 2 also there. That also remember. That is our denominator 2 is the multiply and divided with 2. You get 235.5 centimeter square is the answer to finding there. I hope you can understand the second part of the fourth question. One more question is there. One more question, that is fifth question. Fifth question that tells about here same way. Fifth question that tells about they make an here fifth question that tells that radius is given, r value is given as 21 centimeter. In the center of the circle they make an angle 60 degree. Here they ask 3 parts. First part they ask a length of the arc, they ask length of the arc. First part they ask length of the arc we want to find. Second part area of sector form by arc they asking. Third part they asking find the area of segment, form by chord they ask to here first part length of the arc we want to find, second part they ask to find out area of the sector formed by an arc, they ask to find out, third part they ask to find out area of the segment formed by a chord, they ask to find out. These three parts we want to find out. The diagram is in which way here? Diagram, one circle is there, circle is there, O is the center of the circle, and two radius they given us, OA and OB are the radius given us 21 centimeter. In the center they make how much degree? 60 degree. Then first we want the area, length of this arc we want to find out. Then one chord is there, AB is the chord, and this is our segment. This is our minor segment. Then this part represent as a major sector also. So three parts. First, fifth question, what are the information they given? Radius is given. So radius is equal to 21 centimeter. Then theta value they given us how much degree? 60 degree. First part, length of the arc. Length of the arc they ask to find out. Length of the arc, how to find out? They given that length of the arc is, last class we learned, cancelled two formula given there, without cancelling theta by 360 into 2 pi r, or with cancelling theta by 180 into pi r. Any formula you can use. I cancelled after that formula using that. Pi r is the formula. Theta plus theta value 60 degree divided with 180 degree into pi place 22 by, here theta value not mentioned, that's why 22 by 7. Radius consider it as 21. 7 and 21 3 times. 0 0 cancel. 6 table 6 1 time. 6 table 18 3 times. Here 3 and 3 cancelled, 1. So which number remaining there? Numerator 22. So length represent as a unit as a centimeter. Then this is our first part. Second part, what they ask to find out? Area of a sector. This sector means two radius and arc joining region, we call it as a sector. What is the formula for finding area of sector? Only means, remember, it is a minor sector. So which formula? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square is the formula. Theta place theta value 60 by 360 into pi place 22 by 7 into radius place 21 into 21. Substitute 7 and 21 3 times. 0 0 cancel. 6 table 6 1 time. 6 table 36 6 time. Then 3 and 6 cancel 2 time. 2 and 22 cancel 11 times. So remaining how much? 11 into 21. 11 into 21 because how much? 231 centimeter square is the area of the sector. Second part of the fifth question like this. Area of the sector, how to find out? Which formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square formula apply and find out that answer. One more case is that is a third case. Third case they tells about area of segment. Area of segment means segment only they mention. So remember a minor segment. Minor segment means this part. This part area, how to find out? Area of the sector is subtracted with the area of this triangle. This small part will get formula applied. So area of segment is equal to area of sector is subtracted with the area of triangle. Which triangle? Triangle AOB. Then area of sector, what is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square is the formula. Area of triangle, one formula given, half r square sin theta formula given there, or half into base into height, any form. But this part just before, in second part we found how much? 230. Again need not want to find, already we find that answer, just that value substitute here. In second part we find that sector formula applying and finding 231. So that value substitute. 231 minus half into radius is how much? 21. So 21 into 21 into sin theta value how much? 60 degree. Substitute the value. Again calculation doing time 231 minus half into 21 into 21 into then sin 60 represent as how much? Root 3 by 2 is the answer. Sin 60 value represent as in trigonometrical ratio chapter we learned that sin 60 represent root 3 by 2. Again calculation 231 minus 21 into 21 comes to be 441. Root 3 value become 1.73 substitute. 2 2s are how much? 4 is the answer. Then that value substitute and multiply and divided with 4 you get 190.95. This value multiply and divided with 4 190.95 will get you the subtraction doing time final answer become this much 40.05 centimeter square is the answer. I hope you can understand this model question. Just the formula apply, value substitute, calculation do easy questions only. Then next class are remaining questions we can discuss. Thank you.